Did you know magnolias belong to one of the oldest tree families around? Their flowers developed long before there were bees around, and they don't even have true petals. They're meant to attract beetles to bump around inside and collect the pollen. Magnolia flower carries the meanings of nobility, perseverance, and dignity. Do you know that magnolia flowers are edible and they taste a little bit like ginger? We actually make cookies, cordials, and pickles out of the flowers. You can check here at Alexis Nicole for some great recipe ideas. Magnolias come in all sizes and some beautiful colors, and we have dwarf varieties as well as tall ones. Did you know the biggest magnolia is in Smith County, and it's 122 feet tall with a 6-foot diameter trunk? Amazing. Magnolias have arrived at the nursery. This is Rosemary. Hi, Jeannie. Vulcan. Felix. Black Tulip. Elizabeth. Yellow Bird. Smaller growing varieties like Royal Star. And Susan.